Hey friends, it's good to see you. I know a lot of us are really excited to do a math project at home, so today we're going to do Cheerio Math. What you're going to do before we get started is please make sure you wash your hands and ask your parents that it's okay to be using your cereal for math today. I just washed my hands, but just to be safe, I'm going to use this hand sanitizer to make sure my hands are nice and clean before I touch my Cheerios. Pour mes étudiants qui parlent français, vous utilisez les céréales qui forment les groupes qui sont égales. Okay, our objective today is to be able to create equal groups of Cheerios to be able to write a multiplication and division number sentence. You will need a bag of cereal, Cheerios, Lucky Charms, whatever works. You will need 2 Q-tips and a marker. Now, I only have a regular plate, so I'm gonna use just my plain old dinner plates, but if you guys have paper plates, that would work the best because you can just write right on top of them. Our first job is going to be able to take out equal groups of Cheerios. So I'm gonna take out 2 equal groups of 3 Cheerios. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And my second group with 3 each because they're equal groups. 1, 2, and 3. I know these are equal groups because I have 2 groups, and in each group there's 1, 2, 3 Cheerios, 1, 2, 3. So I know these groups are equal. Now, in multiplication, we like to arrange our numbers in an array. I've just created an array with my Cheerios. So I have 2 rows of 3 Cheerios each. You've just made your first multiplication number sentence. I'm gonna label my Cheerios. If you have a paper plate, you can write right on the plate. If you don't have a paper plate, you'll need to write on something else. So I have 2 groups of 3 Cheerios each. Now I need to count to see how many I have in total. What's great about multiplication is you can count by 3s, you can count by 2s, or you can count 1 by 1. I'm gonna count by 2s. 2, 4, 6. I have 6 Cheerios total. So now I know that 2 groups of 3 Cheerios equals 6 Cheerios total. The way I can write this is 2 times 3 equals 6. Just like that. Great job, guys. You just did your first multiplication problem. Now some time for some math magic. You don't know this, but you've already created your division problem as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away these Cheerios for now, and I'm going to put in my Q-tips. 1 goes next to my 2 and 6. The other goes next to my 3 and 6. And you've created your division problem. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Or you can write it this way. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Just like that. How many different multiplication and division sentences can you come up with your breakfast cereal? See if you can try. Happy mathing, friends!